Hey everyone, and welcome to Bootstrap, the theory video by Cookies and Stream. Our focus topics for this lesson include the following. We'll be defining Bootstrap, learn about its advantages, look at the ways to add it to our web pages, and finally, apply it to our HTML The Basics web page. So let's get into it. What is Bootstrap? Bootstrap is a free front-end framework for faster and easier web development. Bootstrap also gives you the ability to easily create responsive designs. Responsive web design is about creating websites which automatically adjust themselves to look good on all devices from small phones to large desktops. What are the advantages of Bootstrap? Anybody with just the basic knowledge of HTML and CSS can start using Bootstrap. Bootstrap's responsive CSS adjusts to phones, tablets, and desktops. Bootstrap is compatible with all modern browsers, so this includes Google Chrome, Firefox, Internet Explorer 10 Plus, Edge, Safari, and Opera. How is Bootstrap added? You can include Bootstrap from a CDN. And this is found on getbootstrap.com. So that means in our head tag, we'll include the Bootstrap CSS link as follows. Many of the Bootstrap components require the use of JavaScript to function. Specifically, they require jQuery, Popper.js, and the Bootstrap JavaScript plugins. Now, JavaScript is basically the functionality of a web page. For example, showing an alert when you click on a button. So, with that said, we need to place the jQuery and Popper JavaScript files right before the closing body tag to enable them. jQuery must come first, then Popper.js, and then the Bootstrap JavaScript plugins. We'll get into this once we start with the coding. Another way to add Bootstrap is by downloading it from getbootstrap.com and adding it externally to your head tag and script tags. Now, the difference between the two ways are that getting Bootstrap from a CDN requires an online internet connection. The only disadvantage of this is that if you're busy testing your web page and your connection dies, then the Bootstrap CSS will not be applied, which in turn becomes an advantage if you reference the external downloaded Bootstrap, just like how we added our external resources to our web page in our previous videos. So whether your connection dies or not, the Bootstrap CSS will always be applied. And this concludes our very short Bootstrap theory video. Please check out my go-to resource, W3 Schools, as well as getbootstrap.com for more in-depth info about Bootstrap. And in our practical video, we'll be adding Bootstrap to our HTML The Basics web page, so be sure to have your Notepad++ or any other text editor ready. See you in our next video.